awards for Base Pop, the uniform now.
For the best in Gaga Tower for the Miss candidate is contestant number 7, Angelique Dolores Jr. And for the best in Gaga Tower for the Miss Universe of the Day is contestant number 8, Rory Ian S. Budon.
We have Mr. Kevin V. Garcia. And for the Miss Best in Rock, we have Angelique Dolores G. Villanueva, also number 7.
Best in Rock Modeling Award was taken from the Gold Round.
And for our best in long gown or formal wear, we have for Miss Contestant number 6, Lorraine M. Hara.
Wow! Ang gaya naman ng Bebe.
And for our Mr. Times Life, we have Contestant number 5, Brian Dominic Jayanam, for the formal wear.
We will now call the top 8 contestants who will move on the question and answer portion. 4 from our Mr. Paisel candidates and 4 also for our Miss Paisel candidates.
Finalists will be called in random. So, are you ready to know who are the 8 who will have the chance to be the Mr. and Miss Paisel 2010-2011?
Will it be
Candidates, as we call your name, please move forward.
Top 4 female. First in line is contestant number 6, Lorraine F. Hara. One more down, 3 more to go.
top 3? We have contestant number 8, Sheriff J. Redwood.